Okay, so today we are going to unbox this Omen by HP mouse 600. Now I bought this because it's cheap right now. It's about, let's just say about $20 plus shipping, of course. And yeah, because if I'm not wrong, this thing is priced about 50, I guess, if in normal. You also have this, see, okay, customize the mouse weight with 3 removable weights buttons on the mouse to quickly adjust settings, 12,000 dpi sensor with 12 easily adjustable levels to fine tune accuracy, mechanical switches with up to 50 million clicks, HP standard 1 year limited warranty. Yeah, that's basically the main thing. We also have, this is the what in the box. We have the mouse itself, the 3 weights, each about 5 grams. We also have a manual, I guess, and a warranty card. It's compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The dimension is 74.5 millimeter by 41.7 millimeter and by 128 millimeters, and it weighs 88.2 grams. And down here I have this normal information. Security is still sealed, see, and up here also. And oh yeah, you can actually open it. They have this magnet you can open now. This is the mouse preview. Use magnet. We got some more artworks, and it's wired, by the way, so it's not wireless. Okay, so now let's just unbox this thing. Yeah, so this is the mouse. Get this Omen logo. Get the scroll button. This is the underneath. The sensor is over here, and the cable quite long, and it's braided too. So, it's the sound of the switch. Left click, right click, scroll, DPI button, and the side button, the forward and the backward. So we also have a hatch here for the weights. Let's just try to open it. Oh my. Ooh. Wow, it's kind of difficult. Let's just put it to the side first. We also have this. Let me see what we have here. So we have stickers, Omen stickers. We actually got two, the smaller one and the bigger one. Nice. So I have worldwide limited warranty for HP accessories. Oh. We also have another one. Oh. Product notice. Oh. Wow, it's big, man. Almost like a map, a small map. And we also have this user guide. Oops.